Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you how to fix voicemail not working on Samsung S24 Fe. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library, scroll down and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on general management. Scroll down and click on reset. After click on reset, click on reset network settings. Reset setting, enter phone pin. After enter phone pin, click on continue and again click on reset. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, again click on settings app, scroll down to and click on software update. Click on download and install. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will check your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so restart phone. Just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.